Hi everyone, Reno from Sidel Australia here. Today I'm going to be doing a demonstration on the Sidel Lightspeed Filler. The Sidel Lightspeed Filler is an acrylic based filler which is shrink free, skins after 5 minutes and is paintable after 15. Well, that does feel pretty light. Let's go check it out. Well, that was the Lightspeed Filler. For more information on Lightspeed Filler and the rest of the Sidel products, please visit our website at www.sidel.com.au. It still feels really light. Thanks for watching.